the king of Iron Fist Tournament, Steve Fox.
Steve Fox, a boxing prodigy striving to be the world champion. Steve entered the previous tournament to look into the mystery of his birth. Lei Wulong helped Steve discover that he was actually a creation of the Mishima Zaibatsu. Steve vowed revenge. Just then, Steve learned of the King of Iron Fist Tournament 5. The world champion enters without a second thought. A determined Steve says, "The Mishima Zaibatsu will never make another monster like me."
Get ready for the next battle. Round 1. Fight. You win. Round 2. Fight. You win. Get ready for the next battle.
I cannot allow you to interfere.
Round 1. Fight. You win. Round 2. Fight. KO. You win. Get ready for the next battle. Round 1. Fight. You win. Round 2. Fight. You win. Get ready for the next battle.
Steve, you're in the tournament?
Yeah. You hear about the guy who trashed that dojo?
Yes, he's a very dangerous fighter. I need to warm up. You up for some sparring?
Shh. You're on.
Round 1. Fight. You win. Round 2. Fight.
You lose. Final round. Fight.
Whew. You sure are strong.
I'll take care of that guy if I run into him.
Thanks. I'll be counting on you.
Get ready for the next battle.
Round 1. Fight. You win. Round 2. Fight. You win.
Get ready for the next battle.
You surely don't believe you can beat me.
Round 1. Fight. You win. Round 2. Fight. You win.
Get ready for the next battle.
So you're the one behind all of this.
見当違いも甚だしいわ。
Quit playing dumb. You're gonna tell me everything.
Round 1. Fight. You win. Round 2. Fight.
Looks like your research is a complete failure.
甘いはトーナメントはわしで最後だと思っているのか。
What do you mean? Who else is behind this?
爆心地へ行き、そこが最終決戦の舞台じゃ。
Get ready for the next battle.
Round 1. Fight. Great. You win. Round 2. Fight. You win.
Get ready for the next battle.
Round 1. Fight. You win. Round 2. Fight.